Okay, good morning. Our next circuit is op-amp subtractor. One of the important application of op-amp is can be used as a subtractor. So this subtractor circuit will produce the difference between two input signals. The components required for this circuit is LM324AD ICs. We need a single IC. Here quantity is two. We need only one IC. 10 kilo ohm resistors and 22 kilo ohm resistors. Okay, the output equation for this one is V naught is equals to V1 minus V2. The V1 and V2 are the two signals. V naught is equals to V1 and V1 minus V2. So this V1 is applied to one input terminal of an op amp and V2 is applied to another input terminal of an op amp. So here we will get a V1 and this one is a V2. So it will produce the output as the difference between these two input signals V1 and V2. Okay, let me explain in brief. Okay, look at here. This is our circuit. Sorry, I'm going to crop this one. Delete. Here I has applied the V1 and this one is a V2. So it will produce the output V0 is equals to V1 minus V2. So how it will produce, I will explain you. This is a non-inverting operational amplifier. In this non-inverting operational amplifier, the input is given to the non-inverting terminal. This is our input. Input is a 500 millivolts peak value and the peak to peak value is what? 1 volt. So 1 volt is applied here. As we all know that in case of non-inverting operational amplifier, suppose this is our non-inverting operational amplifier. Let us assume this is our non-inverting operational amplifier. Our input is applied to non-inverting terminal. So this is a 1 volt. Peak to peak value is 1 volt and peak value is 500 millivolts. So here we have a feedback resistance RF, that is 22 kilo ohm. RF is 22 kilo ohm. And here we have an input resistance Ri, that is 22 kilo ohm, that is also 22k. This is Ri. So the output expression, this block I have separately drawn here. Okay, output expression, what is an output voltage equation for a non-inverting operational amplifier? That is V0 is equals to what? 1 plus RF by Ri input resistance into Vi. So our Vi is what? Our Vi is 1 volt. So V1. So this V1 output voltage expression I am writing, that is V1 is equals to what you get? 1 plus RF value is feedback resistance value is 22 kilo ohm. Here also 22 kilo ohm. 22 by 22 will get a 1 here. So 1 plus 1 into Vi value is 1 volt. So 2 into 1 will get a V1 as a 2 volts. So this is our V1 value 2 volts here. Here it is V1 is 2 volts and V2. This one is a V2. V2 is directly connected to the input. So peak to peak value is 1 volt. Okay, 2 minus 1. Here 2 minus 1 will get a 2 minus 1 equals to 1 volt. So our output, expected output voltage is a 1 volt op-amp subtracting amplifier. Okay, let me execute in our NI Multisim software. Okay, has opened NI Multisim software, National Instruments. Okay, take the op-amp LM324AD. LM324 AD, take the first op amp. For the same op amp, already I used the first op amp. I am going to take the next op amp. Next op amp pin numbers are changed. You know that this is op amp pin diagram, LM324 AD pin diagram, IC pin diagram. In this IC we have it is a 14 pin device. We have 4 op amps. First op amp, second op amp, third op amp and fourth op amp. In this first op amp, the input signals, inverting and non-inverting inputs terminals are 2 and 3. Okay, output is a 1. In case of second op amp, the inverting input is a 6th terminal and the non-inverting input is a 5th terminal and output terminal is a 7th terminal. So let me come to our circuit. I'm going to zoom it. So if you clearly observe there, it is 2, 3. 2 is an inverting input and 3 is non-inverting input. So 4 that it consisting of only single supply, that is plus VCC 4th pin, and all 4 op amps will work with only 1 VCC and 1 VEE voltage. So this is 4th pin. If you give the supply voltage this 4th pin, automatically it will connect it to this 4th pin also. Okay, so but input terminals pin numbers are changed, 5th and 6th. 6th pin is inverting and 5th pin is non-inverting. Already I has explained about this pin diagram. Okay, if you didn't watch that video, please go and watch that video to understand the pin diagram of LM324 AD. Okay, now drag the required components, resistors, after that change the resistance value, capacitors and inductors. Capacitors and inductors are not required here, sorry. Okay, drag the voltage source, signal AC voltage source, CRO. After that make the connections in between them. Now make the connections in between these components. Okay, after making all the connections, our circuit become like this. So I has applied plus VCC 4th pin. 4th pin is completely dragged, and I has applied VEE to 11th pin. Okay, 11th pin here. This one is a 4th pin. I'm going to zoom it for the understanding purpose. So 6, 5, 4, 11. I has flipped this second op amp for the simplicity. For simplicity purpose. Okay, now I'm going to simulate this circuit. If you see here, okay, both are same. Okay, our input is 500 millivolts and output also 500 millivolts. Okay, why? Because our input is 1 volt. 2 divisions, it is fit within 2 divisions. So 2 into 500 will get the 1 volt and output also 1 volt. It is a inverting subtractor circuit. So if you see here, it is a V1. I said that V1 is this one and V2 is this one, which will produce the difference between these two output voltages. So now what I am doing now, so I am going to connect the V1 at the channel 1. Okay, V1 to channel 1, removing this connection. So my channel 1 is connected to V1 and channel 2 is connected to output. So let me execute this circuit. Yeah, see here, for my channel 1 voltage, I am going to calculate the channel 1 voltage. If you look at here, this voltage is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divisions, 4 into 5, that means 2. That is 2 volts. So channel 1 V1 value is 2 volts. V1 value is 2 volts and V2 value. Let me calculate the V2 value. So what is my V2? V2 our input. Input is what? 1 volt. V2 is directly, V2 is here. So its value is 1 volt. So 2 minus 1 will get a 1 volt as an output. So let me show it. I'm disabling the channel 1 and this is the channel 2 output. So channel 2 output, it is fitted with within two divisions, 1, 2 and 2 into 500, that is 1000 millivolts equals to 1 volt. So V1 is equals to 2 volts and V2 is equals to 1 volt. Then the subtraction of V1 minus V2, 2 minus 1, we will get a 1 volt as a output voltage. So this is all about the subtractor circuit.